Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting the fix now. First, verify your network and account details so you don't chase phantom errors. Check Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity and disable any VPNs that can block mail servers. Next, open Settings, go to Mail then Accounts, and confirm the account appears and the password is current. Make sure you're running the latest iOS update. Outdated system components often cause IMAP/SMTP authentication failures. Once done, restart Mail to capture immediate connection changes. Now repair the account itself. Remove the account from Settings Mail Accounts, then restart the device. This clears cached tokens. When you re-add it, choose the correct provider or manual setup. Manually verify IMAP and SMTP host names, ports, and SSL/TLS requirements in advanced settings because automatic detection can be wrong. If the provider uses two-factor authentication, generate an app-specific password or approve the OAuth prompt. This resolves most auth errors. Make sure Mail has background app refresh and push enabled. Finish by validating mail flow. Send and receive test messages, check sent and trash to confirm sync and folder mappings. If messages queue or attachments fail, toggle Mail off and back on for the account and reboot once more. For stubborn connectivity, reset network settings to clear DNS or proxy problems. Note this reset saved Wi-Fi passwords. If issues persist, gather the server error message and contact your mail provider. Or try a trusted third-party mail app to isolate whether the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.